Matagal ka na bang na-stuck sa rat race cycle? Yung bang gigising ka ng madilim pang ng umaga at uuwi ka mula sa trabaho na madilim na rin ang gabi. Ang tawag nun ay rat race cycle. Trabaho, income, bayad sa bills, lifestyle, no savings, maraming utang. Trabaho uli, salary, bayad sa bills, lifestyle, no savings, maraming utang. Paikot-ikot ng paikot. For 23 years, ganyan ang buhay ko. Until one day, number one, I decide na putulin para makalabas sa rat race cycle. Number two, do what you love. Doing what we love, it gives us a meaning of our life. And number three, help other people fulfill the deepest purpose of our life. You want to come out from the rat race cycle, meron tayong solusyon dyan. Join our free financial literacy class mamaya ng 2 p.m. at 6:45 p.m. ng gabi. Chat mo lang ako sa aking personal Facebook account. Live God, Design Life. Gusto mo mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? Be an IMG member. Once you are a member of IMG, you're automatic investor sa stock market through mutual funds sa mga giant companies tulad ni SM, Jollibee, McDonald's, Meralco, Smart, and you can top up 20 pesos sa iyong investment. To know more about on how to invest sa stock market through mutual fund, comment below.